This whole campaign was a win-win for shareholders, because not only did the stock price move higher when you moved in, but it's gone down a tiny bit today, but really not much.
Actually, it's up today. And what's interesting is when the company came out and characterized the results, the market's reaction was the stock went down. I went on another network and I explained the vote outcome. We put out a press release so that people could understand the facts. The stock is now up today. And why is it up? Because people believe that the more influence we have at this company, the higher the probability that changes are going to get made. Now, the company's got 3 quarters. The next 3 quarters to demonstrate what they've committed to shareholders. They won the contest, and they won fair and square, but they won because they committed to meaningfully higher margins. They committed to launching a product to address their losses in the enterprise space, and they committed to returning to growth. They had a very tepid quarter, as Lisa mentioned on your show, this past quarter, and they're expecting the growth to turn beginning kind of the middle of next year. If shareholders don't see those commitments met by the company, we'll be right back there, 3 quarters from now. 9 months from now is the nominating deadline for the next annual meeting.
We'll get to that in a second. I'm looking forward to speaking about it. Just want to mention the point that some large shareholders were angry that you put ADP through an expensive battle, and it's a company that's been very good to its shareholders. But you also did a lot of work behind the scenes on ADP, and you presented them with the results of this work.
I haven't met or heard from a so-called angry shareholder. In fact, every shareholder we met with on this contest, we met with as many shareholders as who would meet with us. We met with most of the top, or spoke to most of the top shareholders. Every one of them to a T said that we did incredible research on the company, that it opened their eyes, it lifted the veil on ADP, it helped them understand the business. And by going through a proxy contest is an inherently healthy thing for shareholders and for management teams, because it gets everyone to focus on the issues. And the CEO went out and met with a lot of shareholders. We did the same. We surfaced a whole bunch of issues about the company which weren't not as well known. Now the company has a chance to address those issues, and we're rooting for management. We want the company to succeed, because my goal is not to win proxy contests. My goal is for the company to make business progress and succeed. If this management team can get it done, and this board of directors can get it done without our having to do any more work other than a 90-day proxy contest, that's a huge win for us.